Shit talk got me stressed with the rest, no less like I'm taking a test. These snakes been undressed by the best angels, no I fucking step. See how I rap, I be chill, but to hold still on who I'm about to fucking kill. Dawson one sick like Gillen Bill to hell's red shit fuck grill. See hell swallows you like a pop pill, drop pill, diamond slave. Why just staying in plain sight, y'all act like Mike never fucking fight. What is right is I don't even know who to aim this hatred that's so safe this way. Back off that thought crack brought, cause I'm chilling these minds. And soon hell's grilling free, why? Cause angels stated hated once belong. See y'all hate, I'm one gotta murder or stay with chosen fucking fate. Show them nothing's fake about the Antichrist except how y'all bite. Now y'all might still disbelieve, but it's been received. This the king, so hit the ring and hell steam. Tell me yelling, who a fucking bitch. Goose one coming sick as it's been written in hell, get jail ridden. What's hidden is my true self, you self like the head of a hunted elk. Hell get your wire sire said, the sire angels promised to drop fire. God is tired of being mistreated by one with disease completed. The treason of heathens come clean, it's like they just one fuck treatment. They come teaming on the reason to deceive the keep breaking my body. But see how I'm godly, dropping haters and hell's craters, how I played your ass. Say your stack gonna drop out ass, bitches fucking please all the teeth. Look, he's been received to deceive the ones never wanna truly believe. I must be something special like the devil, cause angels played you like a treble. Level settled and scheduled in hell's team, tell me, please, bitch, take a seat. May the heat address your best and less of a man than one damn. Look how I devised a plan called on Superman, cause Goose curtain. For certain the state outrageous in hell's cage, time to turn the fucking page. Come and play in a Christ way, y'all think you're ready for this shit. Fucking fake bitches, you not do, God's cool do as I choose. So who bout to lose, cause who's bout to prove I do what I presume. Tool to fix the stool and rule, haters swim in hell like a pool. This shit isn't cool, it's hot flaming, got you got by the angels got. Watch, archangel step rep and check, so trying to overly flex. That's not in proper sex, I keep ruining your dreams, notice I'm on the angels team. So I'ma strangle these anger me like I'm danger in these pagan freaks. Asking these angels for proper guidance is God, your finest one step in. Like with the blessing angel stressing, testing those to play properly. Got your freak asses sweating heavy cause y'all listen to one comes deadly. Bus ready to be rock steady, y'all should've just let me fucking be. But no, y'all need to Ronnie rape dress and fake my time unwise. What's my rape count that y'all fake down there? Chosen one antichrist. Come standing wise like one hand of my angels, proper respect. See, let's pretend these heathens receive a second chance to righteously dance. But my God, 30 strands, said devil stands in neglect to give a hand. The damn bitches soon forever ridiculous cause undone by hidden Nicholas. Wishing for my demise is like a surprise, your eyes did fine. It's startling and partying, didn't dismantle my life, y'all hit and put a fight. With life on the line, I stand and grind like a drug dealer's time. Must put your eyes until Lord dies, cause kill your rights is what I might. I fight, I don't let people disrespect me, so please just let me be. Y'all Ronnie Sexton got your dreams steam like hell's ring. Like how they say this responsible, please watch the full twister in hell glitter. It's a double whammy.